Once you have decided to create specialty programs, you need to then to be able to turn around and to be able to push this out to the market. You want to be able to push it out there to the right way, to the right people, so that people know about them. So let's talk about several tips that you can use to be able to get more business, more referrals regarding your specialty programs. One thing you should do is that before you go out there is you need to be able to create an advisory team. You want to be able to bring in people together to see and test things if they will look at this particular program or service as very, very valuable. You want to be able to identify a local or national meeting where you are going to be able to be bound to see people who's going to be able to give you patients or give you referrals with the specialty programs that you have created. You want to be able to ask the question and test it out. It's just like toy companies out there before they release a new toy. They bring in a bunch of kids together to be able to create an advisory panel to give them advice and input in regard to these toys, if these toys would actually work out in the market. It is the same thing with the programs that you are creating. You want to be able to test the waters out, try it out, and if you get a great return, a good feedback or response, then you can see and know and try to release these specialty programs. Just anything in marketing that I have trained you guys in, you want to be able to practice. You want to be able to role play. Remember, these are new things that you are trying to do, trying to show and showcase. So obviously, since if it is new to you, it's new for your staff, then everyone should be able to practice and remember and to be able to be knowledgeable about these programs. So because these are new things, we need to be able to practice, 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 drill, 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 rehearse, rehearse, rehearse. That's the only way you're going to be able to perfect the presentation of your products. The next thing you should do is you need to obviously create and promote and create promotional materials, marketing materials that you're going to be able to use to put out there. Remember, when you first start your marketing programs, right, your marketing items are based out of how you can present your company. But now that you have created specialty programs, your company has to create marketing materials, new marketing materials to be able to push, to be able to promote these specialty programs out there. Car dealers, when they have a new model, they're not going to use this old marketing materials or brochures from the last year from a 2014 or for a 2015 car. So you at the same time had to make sure that you have new promotional items, new marketing pamphlets, new marketing materials that you're going to use to push your new programs. Create some incentive packages out there for your staff. Make sure that they are aware and that they're able to push these items out. Make sure you be able to talk to your marketers, your liaisons. You need to use these specialty programs to get more referrals. So you need to be able to create incentive programs that will make them want to work harder to push these for new referrals. Are there any events going on out there in your field? Make sure you research, right? Networking events are always a good place where you can push your products. If you are creating packages based on dementia, if you have packages out there regarding Alzheimer's, regarding cardiology problems, you want to be able to see if there's any gatherings or events where you can go there and meet people who are able to be valuable for you or for your services and programs. Or you need to be able to maybe meet some patients or meet some physicians, wherever you need to do. Networking is one of the biggest things that you need to do as a marketer, as an owner for a company, as an administrator. You need to be able to be out there so you can make sure where referral sources may be. So by you going there, you're going to be able to push your new programs, push your new products, and let people be aware of your services. Look, I cannot stress that enough, how when you have a new program, when you decided you created it, once you have developed it and found out that it is a good program to offer, you need to let the world know out there. You can't just all of a sudden expect to everybody know about it. So that's why it's so important that when you open up new accounts or when you go into accounts and let's say you never close them, you get some information from them, such as their email, such as their fax number, with their authorization to every now and then fax them something. or give them some information, mail it to them. By you doing these may strike a chord with them and they may be more interested in using your services. First of all, by adding programs, it keeps your previous referral sources on board because here they are looking at you knowing that you're adding more services. And then at the same time as you're adding more services to make yourself and your company look even better, to make yourself stand out from the other companies that you're competing against. But also, I just said the word compete. I'm just saying that just for this particular presentation. But look, when you compete, that's when you're going to be stuck in the back and you're not going to win. That's why you're adding these programs, because you want to become better. That's why you're adding these programs and even improving it even better, because you don't really want to compete with the rest. You want to dominate the field that you're in. So if there's any more questions, keep on going, keep on watching our videos. You're going to see more information. Marketing is not hard, only if you know what you're doing in the home health industry.